Hello. Today, we're exploring the Filter Queen Majestic Surface Cleaner, a premium all-in-one cleaning system designed to revolutionize home cleaning. Combining canister vacuum power, Bagless Cyclonic technology, and versatile surface cleaning, this machine is built to deliver professional-level results with minimal effort. The Bronze Filter Queen Majestic is engineered for maximum suction and efficiency. Its Bagless Cyclonic action ensures consistent performance by separating dust and debris from airflow, maintaining suction without clogging. From carpets and rugs to hard floors, upholstery, and even delicate surfaces, the Majestic adapts seamlessly to any cleaning task. One of its standout features is the all-in-one versatility. The surface cleaner attachment makes sweeping large areas faster and more efficient, while specialized tools tackle corners, crevices, and upholstery. With high-efficiency filtration, the Filter Queen Majestic traps fine dust, allergens, and microscopic particles, making it ideal for allergy sufferers and families wanting cleaner, healthier air. The machine's canister design is lightweight yet durable, allowing easy maneuverability throughout the home. Bagless convenience saves money on replacement bags, while the cyclonic system ensures consistent performance without frequent maintenance. Whether you're doing a routine cleaning or deep cleaning tasks, the Filter Queen Majestic provides a powerful, effortless solution. If you want to elevate your home cleaning experience with a machine designed for performance, durability, and versatility, the Filter Queen Majestic Surface Cleaner is the ultimate choice. Click the Amazon link below to get yours today, and subscribe for more reviews on top-of-the-line home cleaning technologies.